Hey guys, you may have seen my earlier two videos on the top 5 most frequently asked questions about spousal maintenance, also known as alimony in Singapore. In this third video, I will discuss another 5 more. Frequently asked question number 1. What is the difference between spousal maintenance and child maintenance? Spousal maintenance and child maintenance are two separate types of financial support. Spousal maintenance is aimed at supporting a former spouse who may not be financially independent post-divorce, while child maintenance is exclusively for the welfare of children from the marriage. Child maintenance is meant to cover expenses related to raising a child, including education, health, and daily living costs. Under the Women's Charter, child maintenance is considered mandatory, whereas spousal maintenance is determined based on needs and circumstances. This distinction is crucial because the court handles each type of maintenance differently, focusing on the specific needs of either the spouse or the child. Frequently asked question number 2. Can spousal maintenance be waived if both parties agree? Yes, spouses can mutually agree to waive maintenance in some cases. They can enter into a private settlement or include a clause in the divorce order that says that the wife relinquishes her right to claim maintenance. However, the court will still review such an agreement to ensure that it's fair, especially if there's a significant power imbalance or if one party is at a financial disadvantage. Waiving spousal maintenance is usually more common when both parties are financially independent or prefer a clean break without future financial ties. Frequently asked question number 3. How does the length of the marriage impact spousal maintenance? The length of the marriage plays a significant role in determining spousal maintenance. For short-term marriages, especially those without children or where both parties are young and employable, the court might not award substantial or any maintenance. However, in long-term marriages, especially where the wife sacrificed her career to support the household, the court is more likely to award maintenance. Generally, the longer the marriage, the higher the likelihood and possibly the amount of maintenance, as the dependent spouse may have limited career options after a long period of financial dependence. Generally, the longer the marriage, the higher the likelihood and possibly the amount of maintenance, as the dependent spouse, usually the wife, may have limited career options after a long period of financial dependence on her husband. Frequently asked question number 4. What happens to spousal maintenance if the recipient, usually the wife, remarries? Spousal maintenance usually ceases. The rationale is that upon remarriage, the spouse will ideally have the support of their new partner, making further maintenance from the ex-spouse unnecessary. However, child maintenance remains unaffected by the remarriage of either parent. It's important to note that maintenance does not automatically stop upon the wife living with a new boyfriend. Formal remarriage is required for cessation, and the husband may have to apply under Section 72 of the Women's Charter for a rescission of the maintenance order. Frequently asked question number 5. Can a spouse request for a lump sum spousal maintenance and payment instead of monthly payments? Yes, a spouse can request a lump sum payment as an alternative to periodic payments. A lump sum payment may be desirable for those seeking financial closure and independence. It's often awarded in cases where there is significant wealth and the paying spouse, usually the husband, has the means to make a large upfront payment. However, the amount will be calculated carefully to reflect future needs, and the court will assess both parties' financial stability before granting a lump sum. This option can help both parties move on financially and avoid the complications of ongoing payments. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.